Chapter 1. The Natural Order. According to Ian Stewart, we live in a universe of patterns. Patterns have been recognized, classified, and used by the human intellect and society through a systematic system of thought. To criticize mathematics for its abstraction is to miss the point entirely. Abstraction is what makes mathematics work. If you concentrate too closely on too limited an application of a mathematical idea, you rob the mathematician of his most important tools: analogy, generality, and simplicity. Mathematics is the ultimate in technology transfer. Chapter 2. What mathematics is for. Mathematics is the science and study of quality, structure, space, and change. Mathematicians seek out patterns, formulate new conjectures, and establish truth by rigorous deduction from appropriately chosen axioms and definitions. There is debate over whether mathematical objects, such as numbers and points, exist naturally or are human creations. The mathematician Benjamin Peirce called mathematics the science that draws necessary conclusions. And also, through abstraction and logical reasoning, mathematics evolved from counting, calculation, measurement, and the systematic study of the shapes and motions of physical objects. Practical mathematics has been a human activity for as far back as written records exist. Chapter 3. What mathematics is about.
What is mathematics? A great philosopher, Galileo, once said, "The laws of nature are written in the language of mathematics." Math is a human language just like English, because it allows people to communicate with each other. Even in the ancient times, people needed it to conduct trade, build pyramids, measure long distances. It is the powerful aid to the human mind and the most glorious creation of the human intellect. Math is everywhere, from the shapes of planets to the properties of an atom. Our universe is completely mathematical. It is your identity. You can't quote your age without it. It is the historical timeline. Math is used by engineers to build infrastructure and telecommunications, by doctors to prescribe the right dose of medicine, by researchers to prove a research, by pilots to navigate, by politicians to count vote, and even by gamblers to find their chances of winning, and this list goes on and on. Maths disciplines us. Even time is a measured quantity. We couldn't have known the exact time if we didn't know numbers. It is the very foundation of the modern civilization and is the key to problem solving, logical reasoning, and creative thinking. Hence, the very act of learning math helps us acquire accurate thinking, which is necessary in all the pursuits of life. We all need maths, but one might think, why are so many kids confused by it? Is it because only a few of them are determined for maths, while others are not? This isn't the case at all. It's just a myth that there exists a thing known as a math brain. The idea is disproven by the brain science. It's because somewhere along the line, we've taken this language of math, which is about the real world, and abstracted it beyond recognition. And that's why most of the kids are confused. It's high time that we change this approach, and there you are. Math becomes intuitive and easy to understand. Mathematical thinking not only builds young minds, but all kids need it to imagine and build a future that doesn't yet exist. Understanding has no end to its depth, and mathematics seeks the highest standards of understanding, so it will definitely take you to the next level. The next time you find yourself frustrated in a math class, maybe think about where maths could take you.